perfect volunteers to do this particular work. तो दो तरह पे रिसर्च चल रहा है, आप देखिए हाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट collaborative work. Here you have the academic teacher who is doing the entire study of history and then writing the characters and giving the characters to the art teacher. See the integration part coming up, and the art teacher now developing the characters. कलर कॉम्बिनेशन, एस्थेटिक सेंस, ये सब कुछ आर्ट टीचर निकाल के लेकर आएगी. एंड द हिस्ट्री टीचर मे हैव डन अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स बट शी मे नॉट बी गुड एट आर्ट, एंड द आर्ट टीचर मे बी गुड एट लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स बट शी मे नॉट बी गुड एट हिस्ट्री. तो व्हाट यू आर गुड एट यू ब्रिंग दैट फॉरवर्ड. तो ये पूरा जो चैप्टर है उसके अंदर से हमने निकाला पहले कि स्क्रिप्ट कहाँ कहाँ चलेगी. First estate क्या होगा, second estate क्या होगा. So I'm sure if you have any history teacher sitting here, they know very well what we are talking about. ये सारा content of topics चल रहा है. आगे चलिए. So these are all the sketches which were being drawn. Now this is where we begin the so-called graphic novel. Graphic novel की खूबी ये है, आप देखो colors आएंगे, artwork आएगा. You know, a lot of research work has been done. Students enjoy doing research. There's a lot of Google available, so people can do that type of work also. Now, this is what we call a comic book or we call a graphic novel. तो पहला block आप देखेंगे, थोड़ा सा ऊपर जाइए. So these are called blocks. ये this is one block. तो ये block के अंदर दो characters हैं और क्या कर रहे हैं? They are sitting down. So that is the narrative of this block. Two characters who are seated and are thinking of something. आगे चलिए. Now the second and third block are coming here. The second block is background given to you. France was deep in debt for spending too much on wars and the lavish lifestyle of the royal family. इसके अंदर हमने dialogue भी डाला हुआ है. The only way to come out of this crisis is to increase taxes. Yes, it should be increased. And third block के अंदर we are 1% of the total population, we are rich, we will not pay any taxes. So ये attitude था rich लोगों का. We are the rich landowners, we also will not pay taxes. Now we'll stop here. अब आपको जो समझना है इस टाइम तक, you have seen 3 blocks. Whenever you want to create a graphic novel, you think of the characters, you think of the content, you think of the storyline that you have, you make a storyboard. But then you have to convert the storyboard into blocks. तो ये 3 ब्लॉक आपने देखे. 3 ब्लॉक ड्रॉ नहीं किए गए थे, पहले लिखे गए थे और ये लिखने का काम हिस्ट्री टीचर का था. हिस्ट्री टीचर ने सेकेंड ब्लॉक में लिखा 2 कैरेक्टर्स, डायलॉग डाल दिए. थर्ड कैरेक्टर में लिखा 2 डायलॉग्स, कैरेक्टर डाल दिए. अब this is what the history teacher is doing. So now when the art teacher takes over this page, he plans कि मुझे इसमें क्या क्या दिखाना है. 2 कैरेक्टर्स दिखाने हैं, पीछे घर दिखाना है, एक पैलेस का सीन दिखाना है. दिस इज हाउ द आर्ट टीचर इज कंसेप्चुअलाइजिंग इट. और ये जो डायलॉग है, ये डायलॉग लिखे गए हैं हिस्ट्री टीचर ने, परंतु लिखने के बाद में दे हैव टू बी वेरी स्ट्रांगली एडिटेड एंड अप्रूव्ड बाय द लैंग्वेज डिपार्टमेंट. तो आप देखो किस तरह से हिस्ट्री टीचर ने अपना काम स्टार्ट किया. काम स्टार्ट करने के बाद में आर्ट टीचर जुड़ गई बीच के अंदर. आर्ट टीचर जुड़ते ही लैंग्वेज टीचर जुड़ गई, क्योंकि लैंग्वेज टीचर को डायलॉग्स लिखने हैं. डायलॉग्स तो हिस्ट्री टीचर बताएगी, बट लैंग्वेज तो ठीक करना पड़ेगा. एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट, द लैंग्वेज टीचर विल हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड इज व्हाट वी आर राइटिंग मेकिंग सेंस और नॉट. You know, I'm a commerce teacher. I may get very passionate about writing my subject, but it may not have its meaning to the public. तो meaning to the public मेरी language teacher बताती है कि सर ये समझ में नहीं आया आप क्या बताना चाह रहे हो. So they help me out by making my language better, so that I'm able to write and express in such a way that the children and whoever's reading it finds it interesting. Let's proceed to page number 2. So you can see one page has got 3 blocks. Now the next page comes up. The nobles, the clergy, the lenders, and the king took the historic decision of burdening the third estate with all the taxes. Now very interestingly, a lot of you are not from the history department, but when you see this comic book, see the graphic novel, you feel like reading it. और आपको भी बहुत कुछ समझ में आने लग जाएगा. यही खासियत है integrated approach की. You have to make it interesting, for people to understand the academic portion. So here you see peasants and common people constitute most of the population, let them pay taxes. The burden of the taxes should be divided amongst all the estate. Yes, yes, but how? It should be divided. So this was a conflict amongst the people. तो अगर हम हिस्ट्री को देखेंगे तो क्यों लोगों ने रेवोल्यूशन किया, उसके पीछे कारण ये था because they were not happy about things. The poor people felt that they were being exploited. When you feel you're being exploited, you rebel, and that's how you create a voice, and that's how a revolution comes in. We are being forced to render services to the Lord. We are bound to work in the house and fields of nobles. Building roads is quite a tiring job. This was the reaction of the common people. आगे चलिए. Then that led to protest. When people are upset, it leads to protest. So protest में क्या हुआ? We will not pay more taxes. We need liberty. We want to protest. We need to protest. तो ये protest का आंदोलन बना. Revolution तब आ गया है. आगे चलिए. The church also left no stone unturned. थोड़ा पीछे चलिए. The church also left no stone unturned to burden the third estate. We are also imposing a few taxes, but everyone was overburdened the taxes. But the third estate is destined to pay taxes for using salt or tobacco, even eating food. And hence, the third estate was finally buried under the taxes, the end of the tally. So now, as you see, the story is going forward, context of history, dialogue form में आता जा रहा है, and can you see the art department, how well they have developed it to see that it is interesting for the people to read. Can we continue? On the other hand, due to increase in population, the demand for food grains increased. Production of grains could not keep pace with the demand. As a result, price of bread increased, which affected the labor. This led to substances prices. Situation became worse when drought or hail reduced the harvest. So typical जैसे कोई भी शहर के अंदर, गांव के अंदर जो climatic conditions होती हैं, which become negative for the society, this is what happened. Hey, have you had food today? No, I haven't. Yet it's been a week that I'm starving. So ये society का reaction आया regarding food. Next. God, please save us from the storm and starvation. Situations are becoming more and worse. तो ये पूरा villagers का, गांव वालों का, वहाँ के जो peasants थे, उनका reaction आ रहा था, farmers का. This led to the emergence of social groups in the middle class. अब यहाँ पे, how was the revolution being, affecting the entire the society? So social reformers भी आने लग गए, उन्होंने कुछ बोलना शुरू किया. I am a believer of Rosier. This man has enlightened our lives. I agree. I read the pamphlet. तो जो प्रचार चल रहा था, whatever was being news spread out to people, people were listening to that, hearing that, reading that, voicing their opinion. That is how an entire revolution was being created. Please continue. So this is how the whole story goes about. Now, because in this story, we have a list of philosophers and social reformers, we can't lose a subject. So you see, the whole list of philosophers and social reformers, their names and sketches have also been mentioned here. आगे चलिए. Now, what was the outbreak of the revolution? So on a particular date, 5th May 1789, this happened, where first and second estate sent 300 representatives each, and the third estate sent 600 representatives. तो ये इस तरह से मेल हुआ. People were wanting to talk, express themselves, and they were sending representations. आगे चलिए. Proceed. मेरे यहाँ पे नहीं हुआ. Okay, fine. Not to worry. So we're having some network issue. Just hold on. Don't worry. I think I will cross that network issue. Fine. So we'll just go through it. I'm not going to read out everything now because I know you got the gist of things and you do understand now how a graphic novel will be able to create an amount of interest. And of course, we're going to have the question session in the end. But friends, please, whatever in between, whatever thoughts are coming across, जो भी मन में विचार आता है, उसको please एक बार लिख लो या टाइप करके अभी भेज दो, because it will be easy for us to attend to your points later on. Now, these are the list of people during the French Revolution. तो जो academic portion हमारा है, वो हमको पूरा का पूरा लेके चलना, we can't afford to leave it. तो abolition of censorship, towns flooded with newspapers, pamphlet books and printed pictures, plays, songs, and festive processions attracted a number of people. So this is all that was happening. Please proceed. इसको थोड़ा थोड़ा करके दिखाते जाइए, so they'll get the gist of things now. चल रहा है. Now, very interestingly, you will see that there is a lot of questions which will come up now. आगे चलिए. So we have done in this objective type questions भी जोड़ दिए हैं, match the following भी डाल दिया है, combination वाले questions डाल दिए हैं, what's the आपका crossword puzzle भी डाल दिया है, जो भी emblem जो important था which was required to be put up in the chapter, we have incorporated that also. Because I'm telling you again, the child should feel that after I have read this graphic novel, I don't need to touch the textbook. Everything is covered here. We may have one or two more extra things to keep the storyline going in a particular flow, but जो चाह रहे थे वो सब कुछ इसके अंदर already है. So the child barely takes 15 minutes to go through this graphic novel. First time, there's a lot of new things coming up to him. Second time he goes through it, there's nothing for him to worry. He knows कि content मेरा control में है, and that is how he understands this subject. And historical facts जो सारे हैं, we've got the timeline with you, the different pedagogies used. थोड़ा hold कर लो, fill in the blanks हैं, objective type questions हैं, continue करिए. Now this is a crossword also given there. So in that book itself, the child explores himself to all the pedagogies available. We've got a glossary, very important, of all the important terms that were used, because a lot of terminology will be new in history. So students should have a dictionary page for that. Great. So now I'm specifically talking about the administrative requirement for this particular graphic novel. So all that you require is a subject, a teacher who teaches a little beyond the text. You know, the teacher who goes out of the thinking box to do some work, वो वाला teacher का ये subject होगा. Now, this was the first graphic novel which was made last year. On December first week we launched it. But by this year, December, we are coming up with around 25 more graphic novels of various different subjects. तो उसमें ज़रूरत क्या पड़ती है? Academic topics चाहिए हमको. Which topic would this school want to work? Now, I'm purposely coming to the cost factor because every principal would want to know what is the cost coming after that. तो academic teacher ने तो बता दिया कि ये subject में अपना ये topic graphic novel में बनाने को तैयार हूँ. After that, the teacher has to prepare the storyboard. Storyboard के बाद में English department आता है editing secrets बताने के लिए. Art department आता है artwork करने के लिए. इसमें खर्चा शुरू हो गया because the art department will ask for some paper and colors because they have to create that work. वो तो खर्चा आएगा. After the artwork and the editing work is being combined, then comes in the computer department to collaborate everything. Mix match करना पड़ता है. You know, I don't need to make the same face 20 times in a comic book. I can use the same face 20 times. तो मुझे 20 बार पेंटिंग नहीं करना पड़ेगा. पर ये मुझे काम कौन हेल्प आउट करेगा? The art department and the IT department will help me out. आप एक कॉमिक बुक को जब दोबारा देखेंगे, एक बार आप देखेंगे कि एक बार लेफ्ट हैंड खड़ा किया किसी ने और इमीडिएटली नेक्स्ट पेज पे राइट हैंड खड़ा हो गया. तो उसके अंदर ड्राइंग एक ही बार बनी है. वो कंप्यूटर टीचर ने उसको लेफ्ट हैंड एक बार खड़ा किया, उसको रिवर्स करके राइट हैंड खड़ा कर दिया, तो लगता नहीं है कि ये सेम पिक्चर है, लगता है कि दोबारा पेंटिंग बनाई गई है. तो दिस इज वेयर द IT डिपार्टमेंट हेल्प्स. बैकग्राउंड चाहिए, यू नो, the IT department, the art teacher department can actually think and do a lot of aesthetic work there. फिर आपके कॉस्ट्यूम्स के अंदर बिना पेंट किए हुए 2-3 बार कलर्स आ सकते हैं, ये अपना IT डिपार्टमेंट करता है. इस ग्राफिक नॉवल को इस रूप में दिखाने के लिए जो आपको अभी दिखाया गया है, इट इज नो कॉस्ट फैक्टर बिकॉज इट इज डन ऑन सॉफ्ट कॉपी. जब प्रिंट करना होगा तब इसकी कॉस्ट आएगी, उससे पहले कॉस्ट आने ही नहीं वाली. But can you see the collaborative and the integrated work of so many children, so many departments? और इसमें आइसिंग ऑफ द केक क्या रहा है, हमने एक ग्राफिक नॉवल को इसके बाद में हिंदी टीचर को दे दिया और बोला कि आप इसको अपने बच्चों के साथ में हिंदी में कन्वर्ट करो. तो दे ट्रांसलेटेड दैट इनटू हिंदी. नो कॉस्ट फैक्टर. देन वी गॉट अ PPT मेड. जितने भी आप पेंटिंग्स देख रहे हैं वो PPT बनी. उसके बाद में हमने फ्रेंच टीचर को बोला कि आप इसको सब चीज फ्रेंच में कन्वर्ट कर लो. तो दैट मीन्स दिस ग्राफिक नॉवल वाज प्रोड्यूस्ड, मैन्युफैक्चर्ड, प्रिंटेड आउट इन इंग्लिश, हिंदी एंड फ्रेंच. PPT के अंदर जब इसको बनाया तो PPT के अंदर इसको हमने ऑडियो से लिंक कर दिया. तो वही डायलॉग जो सामने लिखा हुआ आ रहा है, एक बच्चे की आवाज में वो डायलॉग बोला गया. सो इट बिकेम मच मोर इंटरेस्टिंग. So now when we are making those 25 other graphic novels, principals are so happy that they are also converting this language into Sanskrit. यानी कि स्कूल के अंदर जो भी लैंग्वेज है, इंग्लिश, हिंदी, फ्रेंच, संस्कृत, जर्मनी, इस सब में इसको कन्वर्ट किया जाएगा without any cost being added to that. So now again, that word which we were using, integrated approach. Integrated approach talks about, you know, you can't sit in isolation and do the work. I'm going to tell you that this graphic novel, first one, was the toughest thing to do. हमारा पहला पेज तैयार हुआ था 6 महीने के अंदर. Because we kept on explaining things to teachers, but the history teacher did not want to share the work with a lot of people. So she thought that she would do the entire work herself. अरे आर्ट डिपार्टमेंट को कैसे आप छोड़ सकते हो? नहीं, मैं मैनेज कर लूँगी. And ultimately she was not able to manage. So every teacher contributed, the history teacher, the language teacher, the IT department and the art department. That is where we are talking about the integrated approach, right? Now I'm going to take you to only a storyboard of a particular solar system, wherein you'll understand कि हाँ, storyboard बनाना इतना मुश्किल नहीं है या कितना मुश्किल है. So now we are coming to this story where we are talking about, it's a graphic novel and the subject is the solar system. इसके characters हैं, there is this South Indian Brahmin family, grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, son, daughter. We've also written the characters of these people, क्या qualification है इनकी, क्या इनका get-up देना है. So now we come to block 1. ऊपर ब्लॉक 1 पे आ जाइए. So block 1 talks about location. Now this is how you make a block. जो आपने देखा फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन के अंदर पहले पेज पे 3 ब्लॉक्स थे, वो ऐसे बने होंगे. लोकेशन इज अ सोसाइटी गार्डन, टाइम इज डे टाइम, अ सनी डे. तो आर्ट टीचर को समझ में आ जाता है लाइट दिखानी है. कैरेक्टर्स आकाश एंड अदिति विद 2 more children of society playing in the garden. अब डायलॉग क्या चल रहा है? डायलॉग उसके अंदर है, नीचे चलिए. या डायलॉग उसके अंदर आ रहा है, वाओ व्हाट अ सनी डे, लेट्स प्ले हाइड एंड सीक, आकाश ओके. तो पहले ब्लॉक के अंदर जो पहले कॉमिक ग्राफ बन रहा है, उसके अंदर आकाश 2 डायलॉग बोलने वाला है और एक दूसरा बच्चा कुछ बोलने वाला है. सेकेंड ब्लॉक पे इट्स द सेम गार्डन, टाइम इज डे टाइम, कैरेक्टर्स चिल्ड्रन प्लेइंग, new family, Roman, shifted in the society. See, some foreigners are there in a society. So these children are seeing that कुछ foreigners आए हैं. Third block, sorry, second block में ये, Akash, I think some new family has shifted. The child says, you think so? Maybe they're just visiting someone. Block 3 में, location is a garden. I think the son is of our age. Akash, yes, he looks like. Family goes into the apartment. Block 4, location garden, characters children are playing, Aditi. Bhai, what's that? Looks like they forgot one of the bags. Akash, went to see the suitcase. Location, the guard room. Akash and the guard. Namaskar, uncle. What's the flat number of the new family? That new foreigner family? Yes, A905. But what happened? They forgot one suitcase near the garden area. Akash walks towards on the next block. He's going towards the apartment. He reaches the apartment. He rings the bell. Now, this is how we build a story. अब इसके अंदर एकेडमिक पोर्शन तो बहुत बाद में आएगा, पर स्टोरी में कैरेक्टर को डेवलप करना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. You have to have a narration, a narrative has to be there. So this is exactly what is going up ahead. So I'll skip a few blocks and we'll try to see where we are actually hitting up, because this is covering the class 5th or 6th standard of the solar system. So we are somewhere on block 24 right now. Aditi, sorry, block 26, fine. Mr. Ramakrishnan, the sun looks bigger and brighter compared to the other stars because it's much closer to our Earth. Aditi, I'm confused. Why? You said sun is not the biggest star, but sun is the biggest member of the solar family. How? Big block showing solar system, previous time saints praying, villagers doing yagna, Om Suryanama, etc. Grandfather laughing. You know, sun has a family called the solar system. It consists of the sun, the 8 planets and the satellites, and they revolve around the sun, and the sun is the bigger member of his family. Aditi, oh, so now immediately I'm shifting and showing to you now the characters. The art department, ये तो देखो सब्जेक्ट टीचर ने पूरा ब्लॉक्स बनाया, कहानी उसके अंदर डाली. अब इमीडिएटली दे दिया लैंग्वेज डिपार्टमेंट को एडिटिंग करने के लिए. अब आर्ट डिपार्टमेंट ने जो आपका नेक्स्ट, जहां मैंने आपको फोटो भेजा था फोन पे, तो so we won't show you the blocks now. We'll just, you understood that this is how a story is developed, and every block has to be written. तो ही आर्ट टीचर उसके अंदर डाल के डायग्राम्स बनाना, कैरेक्टर्स बनाना का काम करेगी. So I'm showing you how this school has, these are the characters they have developed there, right? So these are the various characters. जो कहानी के अंदर जो कैरेक्टर्स था, फॉरेनर था, इंडियन था, दादा था, दादी थी. Just start showing the characters one by one. Yes. तो ये बच्चा है. Now these are the actors of the script. This is the mother. आगे चलिए. This is the grandfather. तो जो आप कहानी के कैरेक्टर्स बना रहे थे, उन कैरेक्टर्स को आर्ट डिपार्टमेंट ने एक फिगर दे दिया है. Now these all will be continuously used in the graphic novel to let the story go ahead. So now I'm taking a 2-minute break from you. I want you to ask questions till here as to what you are clear about, what was not clear, because I have to go to my second session now where we're talking about theatre as a teaching tool. But before that, इसके अंदर जो कुछ भी पूछना है, आप बड़े शौक से पूछ सकते हो. I am sure I'll be able to answer all your queries.
So really it was a very mesmerizing presentation. Anyone wants to ask any question, you can please raise your hand or please you can text on chat box. If anyone has any question, you can unmute and speak. Sandeep sir, there is a question in the chat box. One of the teacher is asking that they have to complete the syllabus. So what is in your opinion, what are the things they have to do and how they can use this art integration in school?
Okay, now my first question is, what do you mean by we have to complete the syllabus? तो आप क्या बोलना चाह रहे हैं मुझे जरा समझा दीजिए. Because when you say we have to complete the syllabus, yes, we all have to complete the syllabus. Means ये अगर स्कूल ने बनाया है फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन तो उन्होंने सिलेबस कंप्लीट करके ही बनाया होगा, उससे पहले तो नहीं बनाया. तो what are you exactly asking that I need to understand your question better? I am not able to understand your question.
Saranya ma'am, can you please unmute and ask your question to sir?
Ma'am, why the mic is not working?
Fine, fine. I'm getting a question now. So you're asking about the time foundation. तो देखो ऐसा है कि first of all, it has to be interest of the teacher because you know there's extra work. बिना एक्स्ट्रा काम किए कुछ मिलेगा नहीं. तो ये काम तो इसमें एक्स्ट्रा है क्योंकि स्टोरी बोर्ड बनाना पड़ेगा. तो आपको आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स आप सोचते हो, you think that this graphic novel is going to help you in your teaching, it is going to make subject much more interesting, the children are going to enjoy. अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है तो आप अपने सब्जेक्ट का एक चैप्टर निकालो और ये डिसाइड करो कि इस चैप्टर का मुझे ग्राफिक नॉवल बनाना है. Now, how I can help you out with this, that as what we've been doing with this 25, 26 schools, we are taking webinars with the schools regularly, maybe once a week perhaps, जहाँ पे हम उस सब्जेक्ट टीचर, आर्ट टीचर, डिपार्टमेंट के साथ में बैठ के एक प्लानिंग करते हैं. We handhold the teachers and we assist them as to how they should go ahead. So we explain to them what a storyboard is, कहाँ पे गलती कर रहे हो. So we explain that one to one to each school. So once if you're interested, you just have to get in touch with me and first speak to your principal and discuss the possibility that what you want to do. And then we can start having webinars with your school. That shouldn't be a problem at all. तो इसमें आप घबराइए मत. But if you are thinking I want to do it, then no one should stop you from doing it.
Excuse me, sir. May I
Yes.
speak?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, actually, I'm a science teacher.
Right.
I'm making that, actually, I'm using already the concept map, diagram, or even that mind map along with the diagram for that. It's like a story I'm teaching the students.
Fine.
So that they can easily remember the things and all.
Sure.
Even I have done that SST also. Last year for class 10 also I have taught them in a story manner.
Good.
I have made the storyboard like that, but actually I have drawn that, not in a graphic method or anything. I'm an artist too, so that's I'm drawing like that. And in school actually I'm teaching mainly science. So
Right.
I feel that the time limitation is the main problem. If I am teaching like that, I have to explain extra points and all. Science, you know that it's actually related to the day-to-day life
Fine.
activities.
See, what you are doing is, we are not asking you to take the entire course and convert it into a graphic novel. You pick up for this year, maybe one or two, or maybe just one. You pick up and you decide to convert that into a graphic novel. एक चैप्टर कर लो, उससे ज्यादा मत करो. आपको ये पता है कि इस साल अभी, for one thing is for sure, we can share with you the French Revolution. So you don't need to make a graphic novel on French Revolution. वो तो ऑलरेडी तैयार हो गया. अभी 6th स्टैंडर्ड वाला सोलर सिस्टम का तैयार हो जाएगा. 25 ग्राफिक नॉवल दिसंबर तक हम आपको और तैयार करके दे देंगे. तो जो बन रही हैं उनको मत बनाओ, जो नहीं बन रही है उसमें से आप एक बना लो. Make only one. Get into the experiential part of making one, and then automatically next year your children may be very charged. They may want to make one more. So we don't have to rush up and we have to complete everything. No. So be rest assured, French Revolution आपको बनाने की दोबारा जरूरत नहीं है. It's already there, and 25 more novels will be ready by December. But which one do you want to make? We can help you out by making one for your school. So even if supposing we've got around 10-15 schools right now, each school wants to do only one, that is very good.
Sir, I would like
Okay,
to
sir, I
clarify.
understand. Thank you.
I would
Yes,
like
Father.
to clarify. Sandeep sir,
Yes, Father.
is art integrated education?
Yes, Father.
Is this part of what you're talking? What
Yes,
you are
Father.
talking is
Exactly, this is art integrated. We are integrating art into academic subject. You're not leaving it in isolation. So
okay.
you've taken the entire art department with you, and you merged an academic department as well as a language department and the IT department. So you're working with 4-5 departments at the same time.
Now the board has directed Rajasthan align with the Assamese culture.
Right,
These
Father,
two
yes.
states.
Right.
Where do you find Assamese culture in this
I'll tell you,
project?
Father, very interestingly, one school is working on this as a graphic novel. So I won't take the name of the school right now because they are doing a lot of secretive work right away. But anyway, so this school is working with all the forts of Rajasthan, all the cultural aspects of Rajasthan, linking it up into language and EVS and merging it with Assam. So they created a storyline where you have an Assami child in the Jaipur school and they go for sightseeing, they see a lot of things, then they have some exchange program happening with one of the schools in Assam. What happens in that? They are developing a graphic novel on that. So your Rajasthan with Assam is being linked up very strongly. Your food culture, your dress culture, your dance culture, your the other aspects of culture that we deal with, the festival, the rangolis, all that they are working on. So they are preparing a complete graphic novel on this particular process.
Now in a project, we are supposed to have just 4 to 5 students.
No, Father, what it is like, see, the academic department can consist of maybe 5, 6 children, 7 children. Let the teacher decide how many children she wants to take into the storyboard department. Then the art teacher decides how many children she wanted to take in the art department. Then the IT department, how many children they will take in the IT department. And then the language teacher decides how many children she will take for editing part. So right now, Father, we should begin with only one. We make a pilot project to do with one, because then the teachers understand that they have to sit together and work. Normally what happens, teachers don't sit together because the history teacher may not get time or has no very strong reason to sit with the language department. But when her story is being edited, she wants to know what the language teacher is asking. So that is where the collaborative work comes all of a sudden. All of them will work together because they know it's a common baby that they're sharing. Because then only the baby will come out, the product will come out very well, not otherwise. So people lose their isolated work and then they start working in a collaborative work. So we should not take up too many projects, but we should take up maybe one in each class, depending upon how much work the art teacher can take care of. Or even open it to teachers and ask them, fine, how many 2, 3 teachers want to take it up? One maybe from class 1 to 5, one from 6, 7, 8, one from 9th upwards. We can take up 3 subjects that way and do only one chapter.
Have you got any project on mathematics?
Yes, Father. I've got around 12 stories ready on mathematics. Because some 3 years back, we had done this scripting for mathematics in an inter-school workshop technique way. I have that, I can share it with you.
On the screen?
Not on the screen right now, Father. They're at my house. I can share it with you. I'll send you the copies of that someday or the other. I'll send it across.
Okay.
We've actually taken the characters there. There's one teacher in a locality and there are around 8 children. So they are constantly discussing mathematics with their teacher in the live application way. So teacher doesn't teach them maths. She tells them, where is this particular topic applicable in your life? She brings it from that angle. So that makes it very interesting. In fact, Father, I've got around 10, 15 scripts ready for that. I can share all of them with you.
Right, sir. Right.
Thank you, sir. Any other questions? Participants can unmute and speak if they want to ask something. Yes, are there any questions? I think Sandeep sir, there are no more questions.
Fine, great.
Alka Agrawal ma'am wants to ask one question. Alka ma'am, you can unmute and speak.
Okay, thank you, Monica ma'am. City sir, a warm welcome, and your information was really very informative. I wanted to ask you that, can you share us the topics or the subjects in which the comic has already been started making?
Okay,
so
I'll do that, not now, but I will take permission from the schools. They will give me permission for sure. I will share it by day after tomorrow. I'll
Okay.
get the name of the school also written and write down which topic they're doing, which class. I will be able to share that. You say, give me 2 days to coordinate that one, right?
Okay, so thank you so much. So that if we even plan, so that we won't repeat the topic.
Obviously,
that is the idea.
definitely for sure. Right
Thank
now, all those 25, nothing is being repeated, so not to worry. But whichever one you want to take, don't take already existing topic. Take a new topic that would be interesting.
That is what we think.
Yeah,
Okay,
sure.
sir. Thank you so much.
So, presuming that's the last question for the graphic novel
I,
thing, do you have something more?
one more question, Sim.
Sure,
You
please go
can
ahead.
unmute and speak.
Good afternoon, Sandeep sir. I'm turning back the pages 15 years back. I'm one of your student from St. Anselm, Malvinagar.
Very
So,
good.
sir, actually, I wanted to ask one question that as you told us about this comic book, uh, that is the graphic novel. So, is it only about the graphic novel, or we can come up with some other art integrated projects like dance, song, on various subjects?
The next session, after I finish answering your question, is based on that only. So we're introducing theatre
Okay,
part in
okay.
it. So we are on the
Oh,
line of that, right?
yes, sir. I remember that in class 11 we had done
Yeah.
such lot
So
of
we are
theater
going to
work.
give you a whole exposure of that once again, right? Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, sir. One question is
No
from
problem.
my side also.
Just kidding. Yes, ma'am. Please ask.
Um, So my question is like we have been instructed by the by CBSE that we have to follow the art integration in our subjects. So I wanted to ask you, just as you have said, that one project will be enough for like for all the subjects, or like one subject for one project for each subject we have to do.
I
So
think
how
we
we have to
should
do it?
begin as a pilot project to understand, because if we begin too many, it will not be easy for us to complete. So we should begin something concrete first and give it an end. The second one will become easy. See, simply for us, last year we were only able to make one graphic novel, right? But this year we are able to make 25. Can you see the volume, how it has increased? Because until you don't have an experience, how are you going to replicate it? But what I
Yes.
can add here is for the art teachers, small things how they can be helpful. Say supposing this art teacher of yours in 7th standard, when the children come down for the art class, tells them to make a poster in mathematics. So keeping the maths textbook in mind, the chapters in mind, can the children think of making a poster? That would be really interesting and challenging. And then to some other class, she can say, okay, fine, you make a poster for geography. So you pick up the name of the chapter and draw something about it, paint something about it, make a poster. So the art teacher can explain to the children the concept of making a poster. Poster concept will be something like you have to have a boundary, borderline, what is the size, how many things do you want to cover in that, it should be abstract or in real form. This all the art teacher will give details to. And one discussion with the subject teacher in one period, the children can come up with very imaginative work. So that is how when you want to create mass work, you can create mass work like this by having posters in the class on all subjects. That is all art integrated work. But to create a graphic novel is very classy, and then it automatically helps the child to do a chapter in a very interesting way. So the steps I'll give once again, just on a review point, you have to have the learning objectives of the chapter. Because until you don't write the learning objectives, you will know what not to cover. So you have to cover all the learning objectives. Academic is so important. Then you have a storyline. Introduce your characters. Which are the characters you're going to get into the story? Then form a storyboard. Storyboard is an example which I gave you, and I'm sure all principals will agree to it. Anyone who wants it, I'm willing to do it with you all separately in your school. So not to worry, we'll have a webinar for you. So I'll help you out to make a storyboard. Then we have the art department coming in with the characters, the language department coming in with edited version, and we complete the graphic novel free of cost on a soft copy. So that is the process how we'll be going through. We have taken these 25 novels. We started our work in August. This is September going on. All of them took 1 month to complete the storyboard. They are all into character painting right now. And I think by October we would have finished off. November we are keeping 1 month reserved to improvise, to proofread and things like that, because the education secretary is wanting to launch it in the first week of December. So even if our schools right now, those who are with me right now, if they want to join on board, they are most welcome to work with you all. And we would love to do a session with you all and create one graphic novel minimum in each school. So shall I conclude the graphic novel program and shift to theatre and education? Or any questions you want?
Anu Chaudhary ma'am wants to ask something.
Sure.
Ma'am, you can unmute and speak.
Yes, ma'am. Sir, I want to ask that is there any limitations of the number of the students which is taking part to make this project?
No, ma'am, none. It's all up to you. See, the language teacher will take language children who are good at it. The art teacher will take the children who are good at either painting or drawing. Right? So everyone will identify their children and there's no limit. You decide how many you want to work with. So supposing you've got a very strong art teacher in this school, and if you decide to have 2 or 3 graphic novels, she has students from, I think, 3rd, 4th onwards, children will be able to do a lot of work with her. So 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. She has easily around 100 children. She'll divide them into 3, 4 groups, and the groups will do the work. So that department will handle that part. So they will do it, not to worry.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
So we are still on the first session of mine, wherein we are talking about integrated art approach, but now we are taking, as you just mentioned, that we are talking about theatre, dance and other things into an academic subject. So I think I was one of the luckiest person in Jaipur, or maybe in India, wherein I was permitted to do this experiment in St. Anselm School. So Father Raymond encouraged it, and after he left, it was Father Eddie who took the project over, and we were able to create history in theatre. As in Anselm, we did that for 7 consecutive years. So now, what happened in those 7 years? What did we do? Because a lot of you teachers and administrative people may have seen the programs, but you do not know what goes into making of the program. So a lot of people tell me, Sandeep, why don't you give us a script? And then I tell them it's not just a script part, it's much, much more. So what happens when you're doing a program like dance or theatre in a school where you're involving academic? So if you speak to the dance teacher, she already has a selective group of students. Now, when the dance teacher takes a selective group of students, the creativity is lost because the steps will be uniformed, everything will be very, very streamlined because the children haven't got an exposure of experimenting. So luckily what we did for theatre, you have to understand it took us whole 1 year to make a production. But the production is a 3-hour production that we're talking about. And the production used to be a whole academic text. So say for example, first year at Anselm's Pink City, we did business studies of class 11th. Second year, we did accountancy of class 11th. Then we did business studies of class 12th. Then accountancy of class 12th. Then a little bit of maths, little bit of economics, little bit of other subjects. Mixed match combination went on for a few years. But that we began with a 2-hour workshop every week. So I used to have my 1 or 2 classes which I used to merge and borrow periods from other teachers. So 4 periods I would merge together. It would be created into a 2-hour workshop. And yes, you all will be surprised to know that we did not select the children that who's good in dance will do dance, who's good in acting will do acting. No, we didn't pick up the children that way. We picked up a whole class. So the class would be around 40, 42, 45 children. The whole class was a part of the workshop. Everyone was supposed to do things. So we had a 2-hour session on a Saturday, wherein we had continuous workshops for the children. I am not a theatre person, I can only conceptualize. We engaged a theatre person and he created theatre workshops in the school, 2 hours every Saturday. Say maybe after 7 or 8 workshops, so that is around 2 months gone. We used to begin this program for class 11th in the month of July. Then we had divided the whole batch into 3 smaller groups. So if I had around 45 students or maybe 50 students in a class, I would divide the class into 3 groups. And now each group would prepare a social play. A social play could be, say, No to Crackers, something to do with traffic, something to do with mosquitoes, something to do with anything which the society wants to get done. In the coming 3 months, we made these 3 plays and we took them for performances. Performances were very important because that is where the child was able to gain confidence. My first disaster was that the first play which I made, I got it performed in the school assembly. It was a disaster because the children were not able to speak that loudly. Confidence level was not there. Expectation level of each teacher was very high from them, and it was a flop show. And then I realized, what did I do? Why did I let it perform in front of children? Immediately, my next approach, I changed the venue. I refused to perform in school. I started performing outside on streets. So we went on Sunday by taking the school bus, performed at the railway station. One show, children were not very good. Second show, they were much better. Third show, we went to the bus stop. We performed there. The children, the ones who forgot their dialogues, knew very well how to cover it up. Fourth show was again at the bus stop. Fifth show was at one of those Ram Bagh, those gardens in Jaipur. And after those 5 shows, we went to perform in Dainik Bhaskar office and Patrika office on Sunday itself. Now the consequence of this was the children had 7 shows that day. It was a Sunday, they could afford to do it. And they all had crossed all barriers. They were remembering the lines and everything went up very well. So Monday morning, we had this show in the school assembly. Now by Monday morning, expectation level was very high because all the papers were covering our news. So teachers were wanting to see a good performance. And I remember Father Eddie asking me, Sunny, why are you not going in the assembly? I said, Father, my role is over. The children, I don't have to do anything with them now. We had 7 shows yesterday. I'm just going to take a break because they will perform and I know everything will go on too well. The confidence level of the children was extraordinary. And after that, there was no stopping because they didn't make mistakes. After doing those 3 social plays, we got involved into scripting an academic play. So like the first year, we picked up all the topics of business studies from class 11th and we converted them into scripts. The children and me sat down together. We took 15 days to do that work and hence our productions began. Dances came into it. The children decided, so let's do this topic in a dance form. We didn't have budgets. We were going to very shoestring budgets. So we would make sure that we were performing in school uniform only, not wanting to go for any extraordinary expenditure, because in the earlier years, we were really, problem with the funds part. But then later on, when we proved ourselves, we were able to get sponsors and things went up ahead. We were really able to perform. And for those who know it, the shows have gone not only covering the Jaipur city. I remember every show used to go to Sophia School also. But apart from that, we went to Ajmer, Mount Abu, Nainital. But the icing on the cake was when we were invited by the National School of Drama to perform in Delhi at one of the most prestigious places. So it is, like people ask, give us a script. Giving the script is not going to develop the play. It's a process that we all go through. The children who went through theatre and education, what they turned out as total personality programs was something unimaginable and unbelievable. Because I know very well the confidence level. See, when you do a program in school, you normally pick up only the best. So from a 40 batch, you'll only pick up 10 children who are really good at it. But this, we were working with all 45 students. And the bonding of the children means, I remember Bishop Ignatius, when he had seen the program in Ajmer, the comment that he gave means it was something that we, have noted it down and kept it years for us, because that is how the project was visualized by the visionaries that time. The bishops, the fathers, the sisters, they all have seen the plays and they all have understood that what a lot of difference it makes to the children. But as I said, it needs time. Getting a script and giving it to children to perform is not what education to theatre or integrated approach is all about. The whole thinking process has to happen. They go through the subject, they understand the subject, Then they bring it out in a different way, in an application way, and they have fun in it. And then people see the fun and they're able to share the fun. So when we used to make these scripts, our audience was keeping in mind that the peons, the ayahs, the bhais, and the guard of the school should understand the play. If they understand the play, then we have reached somewhere. But if they don't understand the play, that means we have not yet got the hang of developing those particular things. So again, Father, means I'm happy talking about it, but I'm sure a lot of fathers have already seen a lot of work. A lot of teachers have seen a lot of work. So if you are wanting to have an academic through theatre part coming up, I can talk a little more on this session, but it is best if a school agrees to do it. And then we sit and talk to the teachers there, because it's a lot practical one to be done. So I remember we took a challenge when the CBSE chairperson that time wanted to talk on sex education. And we created a social play, 20 minutes on sex education, which we were able to take. Our first public performance was in Sophia School. So our students performed in a girls' school for that play. Then later on we realized we did around 25 shows, because each school wanted it separately for the 7th standard, 8th standard, 9th standard. Of course, the scripts are ready with the school right now. Ansel Spring City has all the scripts. It's not difficult getting them and bringing them out. But the process is very different. It is not selecting actors, it is selecting a class to do a whole production like that. Questions?
Thank you, sir, for your wonderful talk. Now we will have a question answer session. Those who want to ask anything from Sandeep, sir, you can unmute and speak.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
I would like to hear what exactly the board means when they say about experiential learning.
Father, there's a complete session in the second part of it now, where we are going to do experiential learning. So this was the first part of my session, where we were doing integrated approach, that is a graphic novel and education through theatre. After we finish this, we are going through experiential learning. So
Fine,
that's an
sir.
entire.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Now we are going to begin our fourth session. Okay, sir. Okay, we will have 5 minute break. You can have tea for yourself. Please serve it for yourself. We will have 5 minutes short break, and we will meet at 16:10. That is 4 o'clock. 4:10. We are going to meet after 5 minutes.
Thank you.
बहुत अच्छी